Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, we're going to be putting on new headlights and turn signals. Now, they're fairly easy to put on these trucks. I've done it once before, many years ago, so you guys are going to be going with me or through the journey with me, so I don't remember all the tools we might need and everything. But if you're tired of them looking like this, all faded like that, you go on eBay and you can buy some really cheap ones. So these down here in this box, I actually bought on eBay for 60 some dollars. Looks like they do come with some instructions. Turn signals are going to be in these boxes. Headlights are in these. And as you can see, they look really nice. For $60, it's kind of hard to go wrong, especially since we got all of them. Let's go ahead and open up one of the turn signals, see what they look like. Here we go. They look pretty nice. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started with the passenger side. First thing we're going to do is take the old ones out. Okay, it starts off pretty simple. You just basically pull these pins out right here. And if it gets in the way of the plastic, I know that's annoying, but just flip it, pull it up like that, and you can pull it out. Don't want to lose those. So then you'll tilt back a little and pull up at the same time, and then you can wiggle it out just like that. And the reason for that is because if you look underneath, it has these two little legs that go down into these two slots right there. That's why you have to pull up once you unlatch it. So next step is going to be undoing the headlight bulbs. What I'd recommend doing is unplugging them so you don't damage the bulbs. If you leave them plugged in, you're more likely to, with the bulbs dangling somewhere, that they'll get damaged. Here we go. Next up is the turn signal. And if you look in here, there's actually a tab there. What you'll do is you'll push that in, and at the same time you're going to pull out on the headlight. So I'm going to try to do that. Just like that. Here you can see the little tab. So that's what you'll want to push in on when you pull that out. And as soon as you do that, there's a little locking leg or whatever that goes in there as well. So that'll all come loose. So these you can't unplug, so you're going to take the bulbs out. Twist, quarter turn on the little one, quarter turn on the big. Two as well. So that's pretty easy. Alright, let's take a look at a comparison between these two. So that is before and after. This is why we replaced them. These were pretty well sun beaten. So going in with the new ones, I'm going to try to keep the wrap on there to keep them from getting damaged. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the little sealing stickers off. And I'm going to go right back in, which obviously you can see these bulbs, they're not in the greatest shape. I'm going to have to replace those yet. I'll probably come back in and replace them later. But you're going to do just the opposite. You're going to turn, you got to position them correctly till they slide in, which there's a little locking tab here and here. What you're going to do is you're going to turn until it locks in. There it is. Same way with this one. Position them in a way that the legs all, because you can't put them in really any other way. They don't actually fit any way but one direction. And then you'll turn. You'll see the little tab lock in right there. And then here as well. Quarter turn, righty-tighty. Well, if I can get this one. That one turned kind of hard, but we got it in. And so you're going to want to come in here. You're going to want to slide that tab right into that corner, and that will align it so that you can slide this in into that slot right there, you can see. And when you push it in, you'll hear it click, and she's locked in. Then we can take the clear plastic off, and we got a brand new turn signal. And now for the headlights, what we're going to do, we're going to come in and swap the bulbs out. Try to put them somewhere where they won't get scratched. And let's see here. I believe it's going to be the same thing. Quarter turn to the left, and they pop out. That's right. Okay, so that bulb was in this one. Oh, it came with new gaskets for the turn signals. I didn't even notice that. Mine were all in good shape anyway, so we won't need them. These, they have an O-ring on the bulb here. So with that O-ring, that's what seals the water out. So we don't have to worry about gaskets on those. Unless that O-ring is damaged, but... Wow, these are gonna go in real tight. Oh, there we go. I didn't have it straight. That still went in really tight. That's okay. It means it won't come out. Take the other one out. Also left turn. And then back in here. Try not to get any dirt inside the headlights. Same thing. Quarter turn. So this time you'll want to make sure the whole thing is seated real good before you turn. I didn't do that on that one. And there you go. Bulbs are both in. Come back to the truck here and we'll plug them in. It's pretty easy to distinguish which plug-in goes in which, plus you can't plug them in the wrong way anyway. So we'll go ahead and plug those in. And it's the exact opposite here. You're gonna come in and you're gonna try to aim these legs down into those slots. At the same time, you gotta get past the body and inside the frame here, or grill. And there you go. I think that's it. Yep. We'll go ahead and put the pin back in. Have to line that hole up to get the pin in. And then you'll secure the pin by getting into that slot. And we'll go on to the other side. Everything should be the same. If anything is different, I'll continue that in this video. But for now, we'll do time lapse on this one. And there you have it, guys. As you can see, it's very much refreshed looking. No special tools needed. Easy job for a much better look. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.